Yo, what is up guys, Ryan here, back with another video today. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube 10 different ways using magic. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you later. Ta-da! Oh, hello. I didn't see you there.
How could this happen to me?
Ooh, yummy. Oh. Okay, so I was gonna do a completely awesome shot of the Rubik's Cube going up in the air and a nice drone shot capturing it as it goes through the clouds and come down and be solved, but I realized that I don't have a drone and it's really hot and I'm tired and I have a lot of homework to do, which I probably won't do, which I'll probably fail the class. But at least you enjoyed the video, right? Alright guys, thank you so much if you made it to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I had a lot of fun making this video, so if you enjoyed, help me out, let me know in the comments, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Rumble like a crazy, rumble like a crazy, rumble like a crazy, rumble.